Hey friends, it's Lance Klessig here today on our Soil Health Field Day on August 10th. So I'm joined by Sheldon Luehmann, Carlolyn King, Mike Unruh, and Brad McDonald.
You got it.
So we're just kind of halfway through. We're just having a meal. I don't know, Mike, tell us a little bit about what you got going on here. This is your home farm.
Yep, this is our home farm. We got a bunch of equipment set up, and we went out and looked at the roller crint beans that we tried this year. They had Rantizo, they flew a drone and did a demo of interseeding in the soybeans. And then we had Joe Lawler here with his high clearance rig, and he did some seeding in the corn.
Awesome. And Sheldon, you're part of this. You guys are good friends. Tell us a little bit about, we're going to go see your corn later, but tell us a little bit about that maybe.
Yeah, I did some 60-inch interseeded corn with a 5-way cover crop mix, which looks pretty good, so we're going to look at that at the end of the night.
Sweet.
Yep.
And Carolyn and Brad are from Washington, Iowa, so that's a little bit of a pull. So, and they work with Mitchell Hoare with Continuum Ag. So tell us a little bit, you guys, from your vantage point, you see a lot of these types of things, but what stood out to you guys?
Yeah, well, today has been awesome. It's definitely hot out here, but
yes.
For sure a good day. It's really cool to see the different options of seeding. I think a lot of times there's a misconception on there's only one way to do all of this stuff, so it's neat to see that there is, the option of drilling after harvest, but you can also interseed with a drone. The high seeder was really neat. So yeah, I think that the biggest takeaway so far is that this doesn't have to be one size fits all. There's lots of different things you can do.
Sure. What do you want to add, Brad?
That's the beauty of it. Really, there is no one way to do it, no one right way to do it. And that's actually what Continuum, Carolyn and I and Mitchell Hoare are trying to do, is work with what the farmers got.
Sure. And
to properly implement it, so that way when they want to get the good results, I mean, you guys are doing a fantastic job, so we just got to try and work with what the farmer has and get the best results. It's awesome.
Sure. Before we wrap up, Mike, tell us a little bit, this is Burr Oak Farms, but also tell us a little bit about Unruh cover cropping.
Yeah. So we're here at Burr Oak Farms, but I started Unruh cover cropping in 2019, so we supply seed. We're a dealer for cover crop seed as well as dairyland seed with corn, alfalfa, soybeans. And we do custom seeding, so when guys are busy in the fall trying to get harvest, we get in there early, get the seed in the ground, and one less thing for the customer to worry about. Yeah.
And a big shout out to Mike and his dad Dave, their whole family. This has been a big day, a lot of people, and this is their home farm, so thanks for posting this. And
awesome turnout.
Yeah, it's been a really good, hot, warm day. But
yeah,
it's been good. So,
absolutely.
Yeah, so thanks for joining us, friends, and we'll catch you on the next video.